Through this example, we'll understand why it was necessary to develop BlackCast technology. You can see here that there is slightly more brightness on the nose and cheeks. Also, the outer area of the flower appears white, and the image looks somewhat underexposed, giving it a dark or blackish appearance. What do people usually do with this kind of image? They either increase the brightness, exposure, or use levels and apply gamma adjustments. Now let's see what problems arise when doing this. As soon as you increase brightness or exposure, the lighter areas become overexposed and the colors begin to fade. You can see the tones fading here, and even in the flower's outer region, it's becoming overexposed. To solve this problem, we developed BlackCast technology. Let's open BlackCast option. You'll notice that it retains the color as it is while removing the darkness or blackness from the image. The tones remain untouched, and the lighter areas do not get overexposed. You can compare the before and after, especially in the flower's outer region, which is no longer overexposed. Before, after, before, after. In this next example, when brightness or exposure is increased, the backlight becomes overexposed. The sky is blown out and the tones fade. Now, when we apply BlackCast, the tones are preserved as is, and no lighter areas are overexposed. Look at the car's backlight and the sky, and observe the tones. BlackCast prevents the fading of tones, ensuring no area is blown out. In this example, you'll notice the image lacks color saturation and appears blackish, so we'll apply BlackCast here. Keep in mind, BlackCast should only be used when colors are not saturated, so we open the BlackCast option and set it to 100%. You'll see the result looks slightly better, so we'll apply it once more. The image now looks better and the colors appear richer. Next, we'll apply Auto Black Correct. You can now see there's a lot more contrast in the colors. So we'll go to Color Contrast and try reducing the amount a bit. Now you can see the contrast looks better. We'll also slightly increase the black level. If you ever want to reduce contrast in an image, the best option is to do it through Color Contrast. If you're using an S-curve in curves or using the contrast slider in other applications to decrease contrast, adjusting through Color Contrast is a much better option. Now you can see the before and after of the image. Let's zoom in. Notice carefully, the area above the nose and the left side of the face were a bit overexposed. Observe white mustache on the person's face. Now, in the before and after, you'll see that no area is overexposed and the original tones in the image are preserved. You can see the before and after clearly. Before, after, before, after, before, after.